We are 3/4 of a mile away from the downtown Miami, and as you can see, there's clear skies. So we are expecting to have a good day here in Miami, Florida. So we're going to Miami Beach and downtown. In this video, we're going to show you our drone shots, and we're gonna tell you things to do in Miami Beach, because for sure there's a lot of fun things to do there. And we're gonna tour you to the Miami Design District. It's a luxury mall and we're gonna tour you there. So stay tuned on this video. Downtown Miami. What's that? We're gonna turn right here. Just right, because I saw some little bridge out there. I didn't see that. You're always like that.
Yeah, well, you gotta take a picture while you can, because I can't stop. You gotta, quickly have your camera ready. So.
They're moving fast.
Bears take pictures of all this is awesome. Awesome view.
Yeah, I know. If you can drive slow, I can maybe get a good angle, but you're not. This guy right here is driving his Sonata so fast, and you can see on the right side is a port, which is very cool. What's that? That's humongous. Oh, saying that it's an Hibiscus Island. Next signal. Where is that? That's awesome. And at last we are here in the Miami Beach. And as you can see, there's a lot of cars parked on the side of the road right now. And we're still looking for parking.
Two cameras. Go, 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 go. Lamborghini.
Where?
Right there, orange, and then the Hellcat.
Where's the Hellcat?
Right there. The gray one.
Oh yeah.
No, it's not Hellcat. It's SRT and me. Lamborghini. Or Ferrari.
And then, where's the other one?
Lamborghini up there. Is it the green one?
Oh yeah. And it has been blocked by
Ice cream as well?
nice.
Damn, that's a cool design. We'll go down. Let's find a place to park.
And this time I'm going to tour you here in Miami Design District, which is actually a shopping, dining, and cultural destination for not just tourists, but most of the people are going here. So what's this St. Paul's Market? Maybe it's a restaurant, but I'm not that hungry. So as you can see, down there's a lot of luxury store. And we teleport here on their washroom, which is so elegant. Let's go out. And seems there's also a lot of places here where you can take pictures. Unfortunately, I'm just alone here, so you cannot see me doing my video, and I'm just showing you the place. And look at this. Wow! So I hope I have a picture here, but I don't think I can get one. So that's the Miami District Mall here in Miami. Look at that. There's other art design over there. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe and click the notification bell for more of my videos. So thank you again. Have a wonderful day.